Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to import recordings on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com, or you can go and download the application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the projects, quick recordings, we have the AI speakers and templates, and the workspace. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile and settings and the new project button where you can go and create a new project. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and import recordings on Descript. So first launch the app, or of course go to descript.com, and in the script editor, click on import button. So you need to go to click in a new project, then go, if you want of course a video project or audio project, click there. And then click on the import button, usually a principal icon, and select the recording file from your computer. So you can click on upload file here. You can also drag and drop file directly into the script editor. The script will automatically start transcribing the recording. Select the language of recording if prompted. Once the transcription is complete, you can edit the text directly in the script editor. This allows you to make corrections and speaker labels and more. You can add additional layers like images, video, or music to your project. These layers are placed on top of your script and can be edited separately. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.